Hello everybody and welcome to this video. This is a delivery that I received today which hopefully will help me in the future with my hobby of scrapping and e-waste and stuff. And I'm going to open it and show you guys what it is. The only thing is I don't know if this is upside down because there's no markings on the box to say this way up. So no, my luck, it's upside down. So get cracking. Okay, so there's a box in a box. Here's one part. I'll move out of camera because as soon as you see that you'll know what it is. So there's one box and crying out there. I should have done this outside. So it was a box in a box. I'll turn this sideways. I'm running out of room. So this one. By the look of this box, it is the right way up. And that's what it looks like from the top. And I've got to get it out and show you what it is. Let's take everything out. Looks like I'm going to have to do a bit of assembly on it. I should state this video as how to struggle getting an item out of a box. Tell you what, I'll do this off camera. I'll get it out and put it on the table. I'm struggling. Here we are, it's on the table. That wasn't that easy to get out of the box with the polystyrene, but I've got it out. And as you can tell, compressor. I'll give you a closer look. It's a 24-litre capacity tank, and you can regulate this one how much pressure you want out of this one. And there's a secondary one that so you can have two. One's regulated with this, so you can see what pressure's in the tank, and this one you can regulate what pressure air comes out this valve. But this one is a direct flow of the full pressure out of this, so you can have two things running at once. It's a auto stop start, so once it gets the pressure it turns itself off, and then when the pressure drops it'll turn itself back on. And the rubber feet for the front and the wheels for the back. Got a handle, so you can wheel it around, and I'll just get the other box with the accessories that came with it. This is the accessories that came with it. Gauge for pumping the tyres on your vehicles, detergent or grease gun, spray bottle, a blower, and an air hose. So that's what came with it. So my plan is over the next few days is order some more tools, some air tools. So like a hammered chisel, air chisel set. So it'll help with depopulating boards and chiseling off transformers and things like that. And then at some point I might get a saw, an air reciprocating saw, so I can cut through metal. I'll say some of these I won't be using, obviously, for depopulating. But the main thing I wanted it for was the blower for blowing dust off and cleaning up, the hose, and like I say, mainly wanted the compressor so I can start buying air tools. So there you go, that's what's in the box. So hopefully when all that's set up and I get the extra additional tools for it, it'll help speeding up some processes and making my life a bit easier. So, and that was ordered off Amazon. It was, I think it was £144.95 if anybody's interested. And it's made in the UK by Warfare. And I'll once I've had it running and I've tried it out, I'll do a little video on its performance and stuff. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one soon. Bye for now.